In Key Stage 1, the first method we use to solve subtraction is a number track, as shown in this example. For our first example, let's use the number sentence 8 take away 3 equals. The first step when solving a subtraction is to say the number sentence out loud. In this case, 8 take away 3 equals. We then circle the biggest number, in this case, the number 8. We then find this number on the number track and underline it. The second number in the number sentence tells you how many hops backwards we will be doing to subtract. In this case, we are doing 3 hops. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3. Make sure when drawing your hops that you are only bouncing from number to number so you don't miss any out. We always draw the hops backwards on a number track for subtraction. The number that you land on is the answer. We then record this at the end of our number sentence. In this case, the answer is number 5. 8 take away 3 equals 5. The second method that we use when solving subtraction in Key Stage 1 is a guided number line. This is a number line that already has the numbers in place for you. Again, we say the number sentence out loud, in this case 12 take away 4 equals. Then we circle the biggest number, in this case the number 12. We then find the biggest number on the number line, we underline it so we know where it is, and we use the smaller number to draw our hops. In this case, we are doing 4 hops backwards to subtract. Let's go from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that all your hops are the same size and that you're not missing out any of these dots in between, otherwise it could get a bit confusing. We then look at the numbers underneath to make sure none are missed out, and the number that we land on is our answer to the number sentence. Again, we record this answer at the end of our number sentence. In this case, 12 take away 4 equals 8. The third method that we use in subtraction in Key Stage 1 is to draw your own number line. In this case, you can see that the numbers aren't already in the number line. We have to write them in ourselves. If the numbers are far apart, we always draw the biggest number at the end of the number line. So yet again, we're going to read the number sentence out loud. 13 take away 4 equals. We are then going to circle the biggest number, in this case 13, and write it at the end of our number line, like so. The smaller number will tell us how many hops backwards we are going to do to solve the subtraction. In this case, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 hops. As you can see, the numbers aren't already drawn in for us, so we need to count backwards ourselves. Making sure we count backwards, we are going to write them in. 13, 12, 11, 10, and finally, number 9. As you can see, the number that we have landed on is number 9, underneath our final hop, and that is our answer to this number sentence. 13 take away 4 equals 9. If the numbers are close together and would result in you drawing lots of hops, we instead start at the beginning of the number line with our smallest number. Again, we are going to say the number sentence out loud. 12 take away 9 equals. Then we are going to write the smallest number in this number sentence at the start. In this case, that would be 9. So we write in the number 9, and we draw hops counting on until we reach the number 12. This is where your counting comes in handy. We start at 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to write in the numbers now to make sure that we've got our answer right. 9, 10, 11, 12. We then have to count how many hops we have done in order to get our answer. So we count them together. 1, 2, 3. Let's write that in at the end of our number sentence. So the answer is number 3. 12 take away 9 equals 3. Always make sure to double check your answers by counting and checking how many hops you've done. And finally, don't forget to record your answer at the end of your number sentence.